Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Incredibox Sprunki on iOS and Android devices. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to just open up your internet browser and go to google.com, and now you just have to search for APK mode iOS like this, and then just click on the first link, and now I'm just gonna wait for it to load. And here I'm just gonna search for Incredibox Sprunki, this one right here, and then you just have to click on download. Just click on this icon right here, and it's gonna start downloading. And yeah guys, once it has downloaded, you can just start playing this game. I'm not gonna play it on video because I might get a copyright strike for it. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. Also, if you're on an iPhone device, make sure your background app refresh is enabled. Just go to settings and search for background app refresh, and make sure it's toggled on. And just turn off your low power mode, and this should fix all the problems, if any, arise while playing Incredibox Sprunki on your iOS device. For Android phones, you don't really have to do anything other than just downloading it and playing it. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. If you found it to be somewhat helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.